Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I asked it on Instagram if y'all were ready for another pop mystery event and it was an overwhelming yes. So this week I am going to be bringing back all of the pop mysteries in Ultimate and Mini. We have done this previously and there has been some new additions since then. I do have another video where I go over the last batch, like last time I did one of these, a whole video on all of the kits that are available. So I'll go ahead and link that video down below just so I'm not being repetitive on that. But let's go ahead and go through this week's new releases and then I will go into the pop mystery event. So first things first is we do have a color of the week. This was requested and it is a marble color of the week. It's honestly one of my most used colorways. So whenever this was requested, I was like, why didn't I think of that earlier? So this is just the normal pack of doodles, and there is that scribbler, which looks so cool, sheet at the end. That is the freebie, so that will be available Wednesday, and we do have that and the foil bundles on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday as per always, and that will be the length of the pop mystery event, will be through Sunday. The next thing that I just wanted to mention is the June mystery extras will be leaving the shop very shortly, so definitely get your hands on those. And last but not least, we do have two new foil bundles for this week. The first one here is in the New Leaves format, which did debut recently. So you do have this gorgeous green color. It's the darker green. And here is the format in case you are not familiar because she's new. Just has some beautiful autumnal leaves, icons, and scripts. The newer format with the whole reinforcers, the deco, the date numbers, the bottom washi, and the fancy headers. So again, that'll be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. And then the final foil bundle is a mixed metal foil bundle, which is like a pink and then a sparkly pink, which is really pretty. Look how fun that is. Obsessed. So this is pixie dust it's like a pink and then a sparkly pink. Show you better a little bit on the full boxes. Not the full boxes, the bottom washi. Super pretty and unique. Perfect for summer, but anytime because pink is one of my favorite things. So gorgeous. It's going to make a spread pop. Then I do have some things that I don't have with me and I forgot to pick up samples at work, so I'm just going to overlay pictures. I do have some more of the full box, solid full boxes. So for example, right now in shop we have marble, we have black, we have the paint splatter, etc. I do also have Hedge 1, which is going to match the Alice kit, Wood 2, which is going to match the Bambi kit, Wood 3, which is going to match Magic Morning and the wood ones will match plenty. Static, which matches the Breakfast Club. Chocolate, which matches Wonka. Papers, which matches Hello Student. And then Field 1, which matches Game On. So I will have all of those available Wednesday as well. I just forgot to pick up samples, so I figured I would just show you in the video. The next thing is I'm just going to quickly go through all of the additional pop mysteries that will be available. Again, all of the previous ones from the last event will also be available, and I will link that video down below. So first things first is Pastel Mario, and I actually have, I think, a plan with me up with this. Did I put it up on Friday? And I use Lavender Hollow and Sparkly Hollow with this. I think it turned out gorgeous. I color blocked it and I was obsessed. The next kit here is Neopets, which is gorgeous. And I think that this one is so fun. Hannah has actually this pastel rainbow foil coming out, and I think it would match it perfectly. Just wanted to point that out. But also she has another foil coming out called Cotton Candy that I think also could be a contender to match this one. Just wanted to throw those out there. And in case you wanted to know what Pastel Rainbow looked like against this, I think it's a little bit too bright for Pastel Mario, but you could totally do it. And the next one here is the Burrow, and this one is also gorgeous. I haven't used this one yet, but I think I'm going to use like a brown or a green foil with it. But you also could use like a matte bronze, a matte silver. Matte bronze and matte silver actually would be pretty together. I'm going to have to consider that. Then we have the Aristocats, which will be coming back as well, and this is the one that I used for Mother's Day. I did use, I believe, should don't remember what foil color I used with it. Did I use matte gold, I think? And it turned out really, really pretty, and I just love the Risquets, and I definitely will be using this kit again for sure. And then there is also Bambi, which is gorgeous. I did use this kit already as well, and it's just a stunner. I love all of the greens in it. And then the last kit that will be coming to shop this week, along with the rest of the pop mysteries that were released previously, is Most Ardently, which is based on Pride and Prejudice, which I have not used this kit yet, I don't think, but I am very excited to do so. That is everything for the pop mystery event that will be coming to the shop this week, and definitely get your hands on them while you can because they are just all so fun and gorgeous. So again, we have all those kits plus the other ones that were available previously. We have the dark green leaves, we have the pixie dust in the multi-pink, the marble doodle sampler, as well as the solid full boxes that I mentioned, and don't forget to get your hands on the June mystery. I am actually going to, right after this, be filming the next mystery reveal. So that is everything for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.